The main use case of this application was to provide a platform for the differently abled people to actually be more independent, to give them a freedom back so that they can actually get information about news, weather and control environment around them, which they might not be able in the regular life.
What our application achieves is you just say what you want it to do. For example, if you want to switch on your devices, you just say it to your smartphone and it does the work for you.
Switch on the lights.
Lights on.
When is the US elections?
Election day in the United States of America is the Tuesday following the first Monday in November.
So the hardware of the Gloria bot has the Arduino Uno microcontroller, which is connected to our relay controller circuit. So the relay controller circuit has a ULN 2003 IC which controls various relays. So this IC can actually control 7 different relays at one point in time. Each of these relays can connect to individual devices. So like we've connected over here, one lamp and one radio. So whenever our Gloria bot gets the command to control any of these devices, it's going to send the signal via our BLE module or the Wi-Fi module. Now the BLE module, if the phone is in range, it will take the signal and send it to the Arduino microcontroller circuit. Otherwise, if the person is far away, then we will interface it with the Wi-Fi module.
Smartphone converts the voice command given by the user to text and transfers it to the Java application via the MQTT message broker. This message is processed by the AIML component and then the corresponding reply is sent back to the smartphone over the MQTT broker. Also, this conversation is saved in the database for future viewing. Depending on the reply received, the smartphone either goes to Google API to fetch information like weather and news, or controls one of the appliances via the Bluetooth Low Energy and Arduino circuit. At the same time, it converts this reply to speech and conveys it back to the user.
Biggest challenge that we faced was a time constraint. We have to integrate different modules, integrating the hardware part and plus software part.
Managing a POC with our current projects was a difficult task. So for few of the days, we were more on caffeine and less on sleep, I would say.
One day when we thought it is complete and we were like, okay, Gloria, lights on. And lights on, eureka. That was a eureka moment. It was like we gone mad, we gone crazy that it actually worked. So that was the high point and we literally celebrated that day.
These kind of competitions going on in the organization creates a melting pot of ideas. It helps you to do something out of your project, out of ordinary, and showcase your talent, as well as it inspires and motivates you to do something more, and always keeps you geared up for the new technologies that are going on around.